11 girls and 14 boys are the participants of this seminar. These future leaders represent a diverse background all over Northeast and beyond Northeast, I should say. Though they come from different backgrounds, they are all united in their commitment to just one thing, that is the ministry of God. And then the privilege that is given upon them during these few days, and I very, very strongly believe they have benefited a lot. It has challenged them, it has set their commitment once again, and I believe they not only renew the commitment, they also propose a new commitment to themselves. That's what I believe. Then, this 3-day seminar, we have a very senior in the field of ministry, I should say, felicitators. This exceptional team of felicitators whose expertise and patience enrich in every season. So I would like to name 5 of them. There are 5 of them. First, we have Mr. Joshua Pravan, who was the first facilitator who took the first section, right? However, he left that evening to do his business. He went back because he has business at home again, I believe. Then, second was taken up by Mr. Tony C.T. Mara, along with his life partner, Mistress Pearlie S. Mara. Then we have Mistress Emilia Nombek, Madam here. Then we have Mr. Rajasthan Z. Momin. So, who was the last person to take up the last session? The last facilitator. So, these 5 facilitators have wasted their energy, their knowledge, their experience, whatever they have gathered in their life, they pour it out to our students, and I believe they are showered with lots of blessing is released. Then the program throughout this seminar focus on these few themes I would like to read out to all of us. The first one is on biblical mandate for evangelizing. Biblical mandate for evangelizing is one thing that is focused. The second one is effective witness in leadership. The third is biblical stewardship. The fourth, life, mission, and goal setting. And then the fifth, evangelism to and through the family. These are some of the very relevant, important themes that as a Christian leader we need. It is a need of empower, I believe. And these are the 5 themes that is focused and it was told to all the participants. Then here are some of the notes that I would like to mention. Though I'm not a participant, time to time I pick in when the class is going on. Key benefits and impact, I will point out a few things. This program profoundly benefited participants, preparing them to excel in church leadership. So the one point is to enhance their knowledge. Students gain deep insights into biblical principles, equipping them with tools for effective decision making and stewardship in ministry role. This is the first key point I'm writing down. The second key point is spiritual upliftment, teaching on life's mission and family evangelism renew their spiritual vitality, fostering personal alignment with God's call. And the third one is mission-minded choice. Emphasis on evangelism ignited a passion for which is why today at the end they make lots of commitment. Some of them, they pronounce it that they will straight away start evangelism. So the mentality is shifted now. It's not just the willingness, it's the action that they want to do now. That's what happened. So mission-minded challenge is very much visible. Through tiring, and though it is very tiring, exhausting seminar, the unyielding spirit to learn among the participants underscore the seminar's resilience, building resilience leaders ready to multiply impact. I know, I believe, and I know that in some session, some of us were tired. We want to say many things, but then we went through, right? That too shall pass, and it went, and then we have completed. Then I have last 2 points that I would also like to mention: organization and execution. Just a brief one. The Hagai Institute India Shillong alumni team organized and executed this program with excellence, ensuring seamless logistics, high quality content, and profound participant engagement. Their dedication maximized the seminar's reach and retention. We are thankful in all the way. At the end, I would like to conclude with a few notes. The National Leadership Seminar has ignited a fire for evangelism among Asia Antioch Seminary students, especially the graduating students, empowering them to build strong churches and advance God's kingdom. We commit to continue evangelism, inspiring others through transformed life. May the Hagai Institute India alumni, all the alumni in India, prosper in their mission. We uphold them in prayer and anticipate ongoing collaboration. So these are some of the few and